Lo ngumandisa Myende oneminyaka engama-41 wagwetywa ubomi entolongweni izihlandlo ezimbini ngo-2005 kunye neminyaka eli-15 ngokubulala nokuphanga. Lo mzimveliso unceda yena kunye nabanye ukuba bakwazi ukufunda ukuthunga impahla, benza iiyunifomu ezinxitywa ngamabanjwa. Uthi izakhona zifunde apha ziya kumnceda ubomi bakhe bonke.
Thanda kakhulu ukuthunga, ngithola ithuba elihle kakhulu. Manje nje ngiyimisela ngokuthi mengiphuma la ngiyoutilize lama skills engiwatholela ngaphakathi. Into engithande kakhulu kodwa i-designer course esiyenzile la ngaphakathi sasenza ngengoni shades. Yona engisiza kakhulu, yangi-inspire kakhulu ukuthi ngiyimisela ukuthi ngiyovula iboutique yami ngaphandle.
Izakhona bazifunde apha ziza kubanceda ukuphucula impilo yabo.
I love it though. You get a sense of accomplishment when you do something like this. It's something that you have to dig really deep inside of you to be able to get. It's not something you would do in any other situation. So you've got to dig really deep and you've got to say, okay, well, this is where I am. This is what it is. And this is something that I can do. And I am. I didn't think that I was going to be able to do this, but here I am. I'm doing it and I'm enjoying it.
Because of the nature of my crime, I was in accounting, bookkeeper and all that. I'm not allowed to go back into that field. So now I've learned a new skill here, and yes, I know you're going to need capital to start a business and that, but maybe I can make something for a friend and then word of mouth. It's very cathartic and I enjoy it.
Kodwa kukho inkxalabo ngokunyuka kwenani labasetyhini abakwintolongo kweli phondo.
The number of sentences of offenders is murder, and if you look at it, circumstances differ. But it is spouses, partners, stuff like that. But it is quite a situation where we are seeing quite a number of offenders that have been sentenced for murder, and they are doing long sentences like life.
Kusungulwe inkqubo eziliqela ejoliswe ukubanceda bakwazi ukuba nezakhona abanokuzisebenzisa naxa sebekhululiwe.